This is a $600 custom mechanical keyboard. To start off with, it's the Frog TKL, which is an absolutely amazing board for the money. Looks and sounds absolutely stunning. So the board on its own is about $300. With shipping and buying a PCB, now you're up to about $400. Now add in switches, keycaps, stabilizers, now you're up to about $600. I also got this artisan keycap from Hotkeys project, which looks absolutely amazing and totally fits the theme of the board. Here's a sound test. Thanks again to the Hotkeys project for sending over their keycap for review. They also sent over this one, which looks pretty great. Doesn't fit the theme of the board as well, but I'll definitely be using it in the future.